Hey, what is up, beautiful people? Today I have the Glossybox for the month of January. If you're new here, my name is Meli. I'd love to have you stick around and subscribe. I do a lot of unboxings here on my channel and try-ons. Also, I do a lot of beauty related content. I also have social media down below. I'd love to have you follow me on Instagram as well. And don't forget to give this a like, share it, you know, all that jazz. Anyways, we're gonna jump into this month. They do send me this for review purpose. Look at how cute this is. If you're from the 80s or like beyond, you will remember that this is a cassette tape. If you're like a 90s baby and up, you might not remember, but mama's from 82. So this just brought back like the feels for me, and I thought it was super cute. So it says Sing, Dance, Love, Repeat mixtape, and I thought that that was so cute of them to do a box as if it's a little cassette. I remember like using a pencil to wind these back up. Who had to do that? Go ahead, admit it. Okay, so as always, when you open the box, it's always so cute. Look at this. It has little headphones, little cassettes, the little bow. Glossybox is so on point with packaging. I love the details that they put into it. And as always, they do have their little paper here as well. So we're gonna go ahead and jump in and see what's in here. And I'm just going to unwind this. And the first thing that I see in here are two little boxes, and one is a little shampoo and a conditioner. This is by the brand Patuta, and these are 1 fluid ounce shampoo and conditioners. These are $8 for the mini set. It says if you buy the full size, it's $47. These are rich repairing shampoo and conditioner formulated from Patua oil from Brazil to strengthen, protect, and treat dry, damaged, or unruly hair. Ooh, so we are going to see what these bad boys look like. Oh, that is so cute. So this is what it looks like. These are little minis, and this subscription has a mixture of minis and full size. Just in case you are curious or wondering about this kind of subscription. And it has a nice clean scent to it, so it doesn't have like anything that would deter me from using it. So these are so cute, especially if you're traveling or anything like that. It does have the expiration. It expires on 5/23 of next year. No, damn. I'm already skipping a year. In 2 years. So you would be able to use these to travel with really, if we ever get over COVID in the next year or two, you would be able to travel with them. So I will be testing those out. Next thing that I see in here is the Pearl Brightening Sleep Mask. I love sleep mask so much. This one's in a little squeeze, and this is $6. This has a 2-in-1 formula to brighten, tone, and exfoliate your skin overnight for a smooth, even complexion in the morning. So that is what it looks like. I will definitely see how this works. The next thing in here is by Pella Pierre. Wow, that is pink. Look at that. So this is a shimmer powder. They are available in Wow, Coral Reef, or Reddish. It says that you can illuminate your best feature. It can be used as an eyeshadow, a highlighter, a lip color, or more, even as a blush. And these are $15 each. I see these all the time at the mall. There's always like these little, what's it called? Like the little stands for them. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this up and just swatch it for you guys and see what it looks like. So that is it swatched out right there. It's a beautiful baby pink. I could definitely see this as a highlight, or packing it on or wetting it and putting it all over the lid for Valentine's Day. Very, very beautiful. And yeah, so that's really, really cute. And I love the fact that you can use it multiple different ways. Next thing that I see in here is the Avant Hyaluronic Argan Oil Peony Sweet Almond Lip Scrub. Ooh, that sounds good. This is a full size. This is $71. Why is this brand so expensive? I've seen this brand in multiple subscription boxes, and holy crap, is their stuff so expensive. Okay, so it says that it is a sugar scrub filled with anti-inflammatory ingredients, antioxidants. This better leave my lips baby smooth, and hopefully it smells really good as well. Okay, I can't really get a smell for it, so I'm not sure, but I will test this out on my lips and scrub it in and see how it works. But $71 for this. Ugh. That's a little too much. And then the last thing in here is the SYS moisturizing cream. This has prickly pear extract and is worth $19.99. It is to leave your skin nice and hydrated. It has a superfood, probiotic, and vegan. And this is also a deluxe mini. So that is what that one looks like right there. I will probably gift this forward because I have way too much skincare, but it looks like a really great one. It says that it has probiotics, it's vegan, it's free of a whole bunch of like bad things for you, and it is against animal testing. So another brand to discover. So as always, I'm gonna go ahead and put the total value of how much the box is. This is $21 a month if you are interested or you are into subscription boxes. Every subscription box has like its pros, its cons, what you might like, what you might not like. So I love sharing with you guys because some people are interested in more deluxe size items, and a Glossybox caters to that. So it also has like a lot of very organic, very natural brands for the most part. So let me know what you guys think of this month's box. Are you excited? If you are a Glossybox member, I'd love to hear from you down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, for subscribing. If you're not subscribed, definitely hit that little red button. You can follow me on my social media down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.